Well, pandemic has led to a new era, that is digital consumption. And when we say news, the news majorly is consumed on digital platforms. In this particular time, if you want to be ahead, whether it is breaking or whether it is exclusive stories, you have to be on digital platform, and that is what a lot of players have realized. And today I share a story of our newspaper, that is the Goan Every Day, which is launched on the digital platform, that is an exclusive website for all its readers. I have with me Joel Afonso, editor of the Goan Every Day. Joel, hi.
Hi, Lord.
It must be a very exciting day for you that you have launching the website, and I believe earlier today you had this launch at the hands of the Chief Secretary of Goa.
Yes. Earlier today, Mr. Parimal Rai
Yeah,
launched the website at the Secretariat.
yeah.
Um,
So let us see the visuals first, because Joel himself was there along with Rocky Gupta, the marketing in charge, as well as the Chief Secretary Parimal Rai. Let us see the visuals and come back again, and we'll discuss the entire what is new in this website.
I request the Honorable Chief Secretary to please say a few words and launch our website.
So congratulations, another step forward for the Goan. The website will definitely be an additional information provider route. It will provide the information as it comes. So it's a good initiative that the Goan has taken today. I wish them the very best. My only word of caution is that kindly, how to say it, you should be very, very impartial in your reporting, because we all depend upon you as the fourth pillar to get the information which is correct, which is balanced. Large number of times we have to search whether the information that has been provided either through the social media platform or through other means, whether it's correct. So if you can give that kind of authenticity to your information, then I suppose sky is the limit for you. Secondly, we all look up to the press for various opinions which come up from various persons on the various issues that are there, the past, the present and the future issues. Again, if you are taking one opinion which is leaning to one side, it's always better to get the other opinion also, which balances the odds and which gives a kind of a center view for the news person who's reading it. So I would only wish that you are able to maintain this credibility and you are able to maintain this non-alignment, so that the Goan becomes what we all expect any newspaper to be, any news channel to be. I'll only say one more thing, that Goa is blessed to have a number of newspapers, number of channels, and I do hope that this request of mine is not just to the Goan but to everybody else. It will help all of us in taking decisions, in deciding the course of the future, and it will help us move ahead or surge ahead as far as Goa as a state is concerned. I again wish you all the best and thank you.
Okay, you've seen the visuals and also seen the kind words that the Chief Secretary has shared with us. Now, getting straight to Joel. Joel, you have a lot of websites here across. as well as here in Goa. Now, what does this website, the Goan Everyday website, has new in it?
Yeah, Rohit, the first thing which we thought of doing is, digital platform is about reaching the reader with news as it happens. News consumption has changed, the way over a period of time, people want to consume news as it happens. Having said that, we decided to create a concept where a website goes live with news updates periodically as they happen. So we will give the reader a kind of a news update from time to time. So any reader going on our website can access this news at their fingertip, whether it is on your laptop, on your mobile, or your desktop.
So I believe it is quite revamped now. You all earlier had a website and it is now more user friendly, and considering the times that we are in, we've seen a lot of changes in consuming how the end user consumes the news or interacts. So I think a lot of changes have been incorporated in this particular thing. If you can just share a little more details so that our viewers can get comfortable with the website.
Yeah, this is our website. Okay, up here you'll have today's news, as it happens. CM launching unique initiative to make Goa self-sufficient. Goa lifesavers to don new colors, get new nomenclature. Thankful to wisdom, grace of senior citizens. Goa received 41% higher seasonal rainfall this year. All these are updates which have happened from morning till now.
So gist of it.
Yeah. So that's the gist of it. Also, we'll be highlighting top news which happened yesterday. I mean, since we are also uploading our newspaper content on this website, so which will get updated as the day progresses. Okay, we have also an access to our e-paper right here on top. So those readers who are familiar with the e-paper are vast readers there, in and outside Goa and India. They can access our e-paper at the click of a button here.
So they can feel the entire paper digitally, the virtual edition.
Yes, yes. Also, we have, besides that, we are covering other segments like our magazines, TV Live. We have a link to the editorial.
Okay.
Okay, and also we will be focusing on, look here, Goan has been known for its local coverage. So right through, we have been totally focusing on Goa. Goa is our focus. So having said that, we will focus all what we can on Goa. So if you see here, we have another 6 top stories from Goa, from our Goa pages.
Yeah.
Along with that, we have, and all these stories are linked. They are links. Can you just click those links,
and it opens.
It opens the link with the photographs. So also we have separate subcategories for sports and business. So whenever something happens, something to do with Goa and Goans, sportsmen, it will be featured here with the subcategory called as sports. Also we have, headline news, just like, other, coming down the order. About 6 other slots for other local content which has happened throughout the day. Okay, we have a Twitter feed which is coming spontaneously, simultaneously as it happens. So this is a slot for the Twitter feed. We have a vast following on Twitter, so they can access it right here. We have our writers who, we have a writer page called Perspective, where we give our column writers topics to write on. So this also has a feature here. We have Insight, another weekend page where we focus on issues. We take one issue every weekend, and we actually analyze it, discuss it, and totally, highlight that one particular issue on that one page. It's a full page issue. It is featured here. We have a Sunday magazine. In the Sunday magazine, we have columns on health, fitness,
Lifestyle, yeah.
Lifestyle, automobiles, reviews, all of that, entertainment. So all of that will be featured here. We have a very nice column called a Sashri Masala, which is like a tongue-in-cheek kind of a column, which happens every Saturday, Sunday. Again, it will be featured here. And last but not the least, also we have small, in shorts, like small capsule news form. We even want to highlight those, maybe something happens in a village and something, it's a small 100-word, 200-word kind of a stories which happen, should be highlighted here. We are also featuring all the letters which our readers write to the editor. So,
nice.
Yeah. So all of that makes wholesome reading, for our readers, and we want to take this to a different level altogether. It will be updated from time to time. So, this is an endeavor to take the news to the reader at their fingertips, at their convenience. So that's the new age, that's a new digital world, and that's the website for you.
If I can ask you a frank question, Joel, how easy or maybe how difficult it was to understand this perspective of understanding the final end user, that is your reader, and now getting understanding the digital needs of his in structuring the entire website.
Yeah, restructuring. First thing, we had to understand what the reader really wants. So having understood that, since at the Goan, our motto was very simple. It is just the Goan, just the Goan. So that is our priority. So everything and anything to do with the Goan and Goa is our priority, and that is all our focus has been. So we had our goalposts very clear. Having said that, now we had to only define our news, how fast we are going to reach the reader with the news.
Yeah.
In this age, we just cannot sit down and okay, fine, we can't dish out that news tomorrow and say okay, fine, this is going to come tomorrow, because the world has moved on and people are already abreast of what is happening around. So what we decided is we will give just not an alert, just not a one-line alert. We will give more in terms of a little more content. Yes, the print media will the print product the next day will give you an elaborate kind of a story with different pictures and maybe analysis, what's behind the news and what's about the news. But then now a reader wants to know actually at least something about that news. So that is what our endeavor has been right through this website.
Okay. And also, if I want to ask you, is what is the segment that this website would be catering to? Is it youth? That is, a matured kind of an audience? Whether it is kids, whether it is, or is it a complete package for everybody to access?
Yes, Rohit, when we set out to do this redesign this whole website, we had everybody on mind. So our magazine will have segments for a kind of a laid-back reader who wants to read a lot. So there is a lot of content that to read. We have content for the young, tech-savvy youth. We have, by and large, we have content for the news reader in every segment possible. So we tried to cover as much as possible. And in whatever space we have given, I think fairly everybody is represented. So it's a very balanced kind of a news presentation.
I think you've gone through the entire website, the entire structure is so beautifully, Joel. If there is anything that I've missed, because whatever I've seen, the entire layout, it looks very beautiful. And it is more of an quite interactive that as of now it is, and obviously over a course of time it will evolve. Is there anything that I've missed?
Only one thing, Rohit, is this entire presentation has been a lot of hard work, and there is my entire team behind it.
True.
If I would be doing injustice if I had to name a few, but the entire team, print media team of the Goan is behind.
It's a collective efforts.
Yeah, collective efforts. Yeah, I may have initiated, conceptualized, and led, but eventually it is the team which is, whether it's the front end, the back end, or the web upload. So together we will make this happen.
I think you nicely summed up, Joel. It is the team that has supported, and obviously it is very easy to start something, but it is very difficult to be consistent every single day. And I think what digital has taught us is you have to be consistent, you have to be regular with the viewers, and you have to be connected. There was a time when people would read newspaper and revert back in maybe a certain period of time. Now emails have shortened that particular response time.
Yes,
Whether
absolutely.
it is television, you would see something and you would revert. But I think digital is something that you see something and immediately you respond. It is more of an interactive thing. Best wishes to you as well as this new endeavor that you have started. That is the Goan.net. You can watch this website. Get frequented with it, and obviously give constructive criticism if you may, and help us build this amazing platform. Also, there is a lot of Goan diaspora out there across the globe. I think that also segment will be highlighted here over this course of time, where it will be truly digital, truly global brand that we're trying to create. Joel, thank you very much for joining us,
You're welcome.
and all the best for you and the entire team.
Thanks for hosting. Yeah.
It was pleasure talking to Joel on this new endeavor. You guys do visit this website and keep watching Prudent.